Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the cure for hiccups. Instructional video by John.
If you have like the cure for hiccups or like non-chronic hiccups, this is the cure for it. Hold on. See, you hiccup when you have hiccups. And a spoonful of peanut butter would cure your hiccups. So you had this problem for years. Well, this see, there's a cure for it. So I'm gonna take a spoonful of peanut butter while I have my hiccups. And what you want to do is when you take it in your mouth and swallow it, you gotta do it all at one time. Don't take a break. Just force it down. It'll cure all your hiccups. This is the cure for hiccups. Obviously, here we go. So let's wait for the last hiccup. Then we'll do it. You ready? Yeah. I just down all the peanut butter. So this should cure all the hiccups. So let's see if that cured it. Should have. I learned this lesson a long time ago. So
You got it, dude.
hey.
Cured.
You gotta stop talking. Waiting for hiccups. Hey. Well, I have no more hiccups. Seems to work. I mean, I can stay on video for another 30 seconds or a minute, but okay, that's fine with me. See if it comes back.
You're cured.
No, I mean, peanut butter's cure of hiccups.
Cut.